Okay, so this is the first step. We will use this film laminate machine, and this is the big size. For your size, you can choose the smaller one. We will show you the size. So it's working like this. The film it will attach to the LCD screen. Okay, it's finished. So this is the first step. You can see that after lamination there is no bubbles. Usually there is no bubbles, and if there is bubbles, it will be very small one on the corners. But we will need to make sure that there is no bubbles at all. Yes, because now we don't have the alignment mode, but we will do it manually. Okay, and this is the pad. We use this pad to protect the back component on your LCD screen. This kind of rubber, it is soft silicone rubber, so it won't damage the screen. And also this is the big size laminating machine, and I think your size you use the 21 inches is okay, but here we have the big set. The process will be the same no matter you use the big one or use a small set. So after the first step, we just introduced for the film laminating step. What we try is that there is no bubbles at all here. But if you try at the beginning, if there is little bubbles on this area, you can use the bubble removal machine. So you can use the bubble removal machine to remove bubbles, and then you start the following steps. But remember that just the little bubbles you can use bubble removal machine to remove. But if it is the big bubbles, then you cannot continue the next steps. You will need to redo it again. And later on, if for your production, it's better to make one alignment mode, but this time we will just do it manually. And this is the simple clamp we use to do alignment in a simple way. Just make sure that there is no reset for both the glass and also the LCD screen. So it is in the visual area is okay. So you can see that there is no big offset here. And if you use mold, it will be more accurate. But this way we just use this the simple clamp to help. And then we will tear off the protect film from the OCA. Yeah, the OCA film of yours and ours is very similar. And while you put the glass with OCA film on the LCD screen, make sure that it won't get stuck together too much. So you just put it over the LCD screen is okay, no need to press anything. Okay, it's like this, no need to press, okay? And then we will start to lamination. And this is the vacuum lamination step. This is the big size which will fit for 13 inches. And here it has the temperature for both top and bottom, and this is the vacuum degree here, vacuum degree here, and also this is the pressure for lamination. And we just every time we just click the auto mode to start is okay. So it is very simple for the settings. Normally, you just need to adjust for the back pressure. Yeah. So after lamination, if there is just little bubbles on the screen, it's okay to remove. Okay, and then we will put it in the bubble removal machine. This is the big size also. This will fit for 35 inches. Time you can set by yourself. Ready for the bubble removal machine. It will release the air. After it releases to 0 for the pressure, then you can open the door. This is the alarm for the but when it finishes, the alarm will start to work. You will hear the noise. 可以了 ，OK， so you see that. Yeah, it's okay.
先解这个。
但他都能不买这一款。